Good morning, everyone. I see another possible live trade setting up here. I am a little bit sick, a little bit of a sore throat, so I apologize for that. But we had an uptrend moving up with a break, no move to a new high, but a sharp channel moving down, cutting below EMA, spike, and then a channel. And now we have a first entry short, second entry short, but EMA was flat. Wasn't interested in taking that, but I am interested in going long off of this higher low. If we get a trigger, and we do, we need prices to pull back and stop is going one tick below our signal bar. There's our fill, and immediately move my stop to break even, let a runner play out. Okay, so that was a nice trade there. We had a short-term channel moving up with a clear break of the short-term channel looking to move to a new high. Prices were pushing steadily below EMA, trying to make it to the bottom of this range, but we couldn't quite do it. 200 EMAs here for situational awareness. Prices are continuing to move up. There's a little bit of consolidation here at the EMA as prices were trying to figure out what to do. So we're not interested in trading all of this. But as soon as prices push up and we get this higher low, prices pull back to the EMA and reverse right off EMA. This is where I wanted to go long. So quick scalp, no runner. Unfortunately, runner gets stopped out. But that's the kind of trade that I saw set up. If you enjoy these live trades, please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know how it's benefiting you, how it's helping you. And I look forward to making another bar by bar analysis later today. So thanks for watching. And until next time, see you.